In this video, I'll guide you through how to mail merge in Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll know exactly how to select your leads, choose a template, and generate personalized documents in just a few clicks. Let's start right at the beginning by going to the Zoho CRM website. Open your web browser and head over to crm.zoho.com. If you're not already signed in, log in with your usual account credentials. Once you're in, you'll land on your Zoho CRM home screen or dashboard, depending on how your account is set up. Give it a moment to load fully so that all the menus and options are visible. Next, we want to move into the part of Zoho that deals with your sales data. Look toward the top or side navigation bar and click on the option labeled Sales. This is where Zoho organizes things like leads, contacts, deals, and other records related to your sales pipeline. Clicking Sales helps narrow your view so you're only looking at the information that's relevant to this mail merge. Now, within the Sales section, locate and click on Leads. This takes you to a list view of all the leads stored in your CRM. You should see a table or grid with columns such as name, company, email, and other details depending on how your system is customized. This is the list we'll use to choose who will be included in the mail merge. Once you're on the Leads page, you'll need to select which lead or leads you want to merge. To do that, look at the left side of the list for the checkboxes next to each lead, find the specific lead you want to include, and click the checkbox next to that record. If you want to include multiple leads in one mail merge, simply check each one you want. Taking a moment here to double check your selection is important because only the leads you've checked will be part of the merge. After you've selected your leads, look toward the top of the page for the additional actions menu. In many layouts, this is represented by 3 vertical dots, often called the More Options menu. Click on these 3 dots at the top. This will open a drop-down menu with several actions you can perform on the leads you've selected. From that drop-down menu, find and click on Mail Merge. This tells Zoho CRM that you want to create a document that pulls in data fields from the leads you've just checked. When you click Mail Merge, a new window or panel will appear, prompting you to choose how you want to generate your documents. In this window, you'll be asked to select a template. Templates are pre-designed documents that already have placeholders for fields like lead name, company, address, and other details. Browse through the list of available templates and pick the one that best fits what you're trying to create, such as a letter, proposal, or form. If your organization has custom templates, they should appear here as well. Make sure the template you select uses the fields you actually have filled out in your leads for the best results. Once you've chosen your template and confirmed that your selected leads are correct, go ahead and click Merge. Zoho CRM will now generate the mail merge documents by pulling data from each selected lead and inserting it into the template. After the merge completes, you can review the generated documents, download them, print them, or continue with whatever your internal process requires. And that's all it takes to perform a mail merge in Zoho CRM, from logging in to selecting leads, choosing a template, and running the merge.